What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the STARLEX knife sharpener kit. I have a knife right here. We're going to do a cut test before and after and see does it actually work. But first, we need to see what actually comes in this box here and figure out what we're going to be using today. So we do have a leather little strap here. I believe this is for deburring. Let me open that up for you guys. Or it might actually be just to hold on to this. Not totally sure just yet. Let's keep going through here. We've got our different blocks. We've got our wooden base for those blocks to sit in, and little rubber things for them to sit in here again. Nice, it does show the grits. I like to see that. And this one is going to be 3,000 to 8,000. So when you get really fine right there. This is not totally sure what that is. Another little brick right here, a mini brick, and that is it. So let's go ahead and do our knife test in the beginning. This knife should already be pretty sharp. Maybe I'm wrong. So we're getting a little bit of cutting, and then it's kind of tearing at the end. So, okay, that's it before. Now we need to use it to open up these blocks. And we'll start with one of the heavier sides first, and then we'll finish it off on the thinner side, or the finer grit is what I meant to say. Beyond imagination. Now you should be getting these wet. Do I have a water bottle over here I can use? So we're going to start with the 400. Actually, we'll start with the 1000 since it's already relatively sharp. This one, I'm not even totally sure what you would use this one for. Someone let me know. But okay, let's go ahead and flip back to this camera. Just going to put a little bit of water on this. Really kind of soaks it up. And we'll start with the 1000 here. Some of you better knife experts are probably going to be screaming at the screen here. But what I really want is one that is easy for beginners. So that's how I'm going to just test it. Okay. So that was 1000. Now we'll switch over to 3000. Put a little more water on there. It's crazy how much water that thing can absorb. Switch to 3000. Take our leather. And let's try again. I'm by no means an expert, so we'll see if this works. Then anyone can definitely do it. Better. Definitely better. Oh. Paper's falling apart on me now. All right, last one here. I'd say it's sharper. I'm definitely not an expert, but it definitely did the job, guys. So check it out.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.